It's been about 12 hours since the maximum height of the water that came through here. There is still a lot of water. It's not slowing down. The river's still really powerful, flowing strong. The dam is still overflowing at this point. We cannot gain access to various parts of the facility until the water has subsided. So now we just have to wait and see in order to determine the extent of the damages. Another update, it is now 2 days after the peak of the flood. Now that the water is finally subsiding, we're going to be able to fully assess the damage. We're definitely looking at infrastructure, gabions, fencing. It looks like the damage is quite extensive, but we're only going to know once we get in there. So first priority now is to make pathways and channels to the most crucial areas that have been affected so that we can get there and have a proper look at what's going on. And then we'll have to take it from there.